guys, welcome to Chazz Teacher I. Hi guys, and today I'm gonna make some fluffy DIY slime. And I made some DIY slime, but not DIY fluffy slime. It's gonna be super fluffy. Stick around to the end to see how it turns out. This is gonna be really fun. I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope this is useful if you're trying to make this at home. So let's get into it.
Welcome to Chazzas World with me, Chazz Teacher I.
Because as I said, we are making DIY fluffy slime. Try this at home. It's going to be super fun for you to make. Throwing things around today. First, the food comes and goes, whee! Sorry, I'm going to place that down. Anyways, so this is going to be really fun for you to do. So let's start. So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, some type of spatula or whiskey thing. From food colouring, we've got 1 cup of bowl.
It's just measuring cups.
Yeah, measuring cups, like 1 cup and half a cup. Need some hand lotion. It could be any hand lotion. We've got some soda crystals in this warm water. Got some, what is this, shaving cream? And we've got some PVA glue. So the first thing you want to do is probably place this into there.
How much PVA glue are you going to use?
Or we're going to use half a cup.
Half a cup.
I have to take if you buy this one, you have to take this little tab off.
I think you'd be easier squeezing it out with the lid fully off. It'll come out quicker. That'll take a long time to come out.
Probably.
That's only if you want a little bit, you know, like you're sticking a picture down or something.
Oh yeah, I guess so. I'm going to do this back up then. That's enough. So guys, we've got all our half a cup of stuff.
School glue or PVA glue?
Yeah. Dab that in there. If you want and you need to get it out, I'm going to start placing it over. Just use your spatula. Just to get around all the edges. Get all of that PVA glue out. That's all you're going to get. Now, that's done. So guys, I'm going to add our shaving cream. Right. Need to shake it up. About a cup. That'd be about enough.
Keep going. Make the more you use of the shaving foam, the fluffier it's going to be.
Is that right?
Yeah, perfect. So that would be roughly a cup if it was all squashed down.
Yeah. As you can see, I'm mixing it, but when you're mixing it, I'm not going to actually do it in the bowl so it ruin it, but don't go like that, because all the shaving cream will just lose its fluffiness and all of it will lose its
Yeah, so you just fold it in nicely.
Just like get the edges.
Keep pulling it in.
And just kind of like fold these bits. I'm going to use our hand lotion.
Just a good squirt. That's enough. This will help make it a little bit stretchy.
Yeah. I'm just going to get right in the middle because I placed it in the middle.
That's okay. Why don't you add what you add in next?
Probably going to add my food colouring. But I got blue. I'm going to add some blue. And I've got some red. But I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to make purple.
Make purple?
So you only want about like 4 drops. That's 1. That's about 4.
Yeah, mix it and see how it goes. And you might need a few more, but just see.
And then we're going to add red.
You can always add, you can't take away.
Yes, true. That's going to be a bit messy. I have to clean that one up, Dad.
Okay, now start mixing in. Well, I like it when this happens.
It looks cool. It looks like toothpaste. You know that like...
Yeah, that looks like Aquafresh.
Like that Aquafresh one. It looks like that toothpaste.
Yeah.
It's white and red.
Give it a light mix together. Doesn't matter if you give it a light mix, just don't go crazy. Yeah, I think you need
Bit more?
quite a bit more.
Okay. We've got to go back to the red.
Pour about 5 or 6 in.
Okay, I'm going to place this.
Just a good squirt. Go on.
Yeah.
Go on, a bit more.
Is that right?
A little bit more. That'll do. Leave the lid off in case you need more.
Oh, okay. And I'll just use the blue. How many?
Yeah, go on again. 5 or 6. That'll do.
Oh.
Give it a nice mix.
Or you can form it straight into the bubble. So guys, as you can see, it looks like this, but as you can see, it's very,
It's all come together, but
very
it's
sticky.
yeah, it's really
So
sticky.
I'm gonna add some more of this warm soda crystal.
You just keep adding 2 or 3 tablespoons at a time to see.
We always
how they-
add 3 because I find it's better to add 3. So
Okay, I reckon that will be it. You'll be able to pick this up now, Chaz.
okay, get that off. Yeah, I'm trying. So guys, I'm gonna make a hammer, but for that you can squish it all. Can you see? But anyways, I'm gonna stretch it out. I'm gonna make it in so it's got like a bit of room, and then just push. And then you ready? There's your hand mold.
Make a face mold. Put your face in it.
Was it like that beard thumbnail? Here's my mugshot. So as you can see, it's really
And roll it into a big sausage.
poke it as much as you want.
Swirl it around.
This is like your stretch ball. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's really fun with you. Like and subscribe. Check in the link in the description down below.
And we'll put how to make it down below so you can try it at home, yeah?
Yeah. So
Enjoy.
bye guys.
Check out these other awesome videos by me, Chaz TJI. And don't forget to like and subscribe.